If you have ever sent inventory into Amazon FBA, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through how to see if your inventory has been affected by the closure of the Little Rock, Arkansas fulfillment center. Just last week, Amazon sent out an email to every single seller letting them know that they've had to temporarily shut down the Little Rock fulfillment center due to some structural issues. Now, Amazon's not sending anyone into the fulfillment center due to safety concerns for their employees until the structural issues have been fixed. Now, you may be wondering, what does this have to do with my inventory? Well, the answer is pretty simple. The Little Rock Fulfillment Center is one of Amazon's largest fulfillment center, and it houses a ton of inventory. With this particular fulfillment center being deemed inoperable until these structural issues can be resolved, all of the inventory that's currently being housed there is completely unavailable to be sold. As a result of this, a lot of sellers are seeing that their inventory has been moved to the reserved category because it's not able to be used to fulfill their orders. Amazon is not transferring any of this inventory to their surrounding fulfillment centers because it's too unsafe to send any of their employees in to retrieve this inventory to transfer it to a different fulfillment center. Now, to combat this problem for sellers, Amazon's adjusted every single seller's capacity to allow sellers to send in additional inventory that will be routed to alternative fulfillment centers. So here's how you can check to see just how much of your inventory is currently located at the Little Rock 1 fulfillment center. So what you'll want to do is first, I'm going to share my screen here so that you can see. You're going to want to navigate to the fulfillment reports in Seller Central. Now, the best way to do this is going to be to log in, go to the side menu, scroll down to reports, and then fulfillment. This is going to take you to this screen. From here, you'll want to click on this inventory ledger tab. This is always going to be one of Amazon's top reports, and you're going to want to scroll down here and enter two key pieces of information. The first one is going to be this FC. From here, you're going to want to enter Lit1. That's the code for the Little Rock 1 fulfillment center. Then you're going to want to edit this date range. You can choose any sort of date range. You'll want to choose something that's a little bit further out. I'm choosing last 30 days. From here, you'll want to click this generate report. This is actually going to generate this report for you that's going to have your ASIN, your SKU, and just how many units are stuck here. Now, what you can see is it's showing me 1 through 50 of 1,300 units that are currently here at this fulfillment center for this particular brand. Now, there's also a way that you can do this in a downloadable format. This is viewing it online. If you click over here, you'll want to enter that same information and then request a CSV download or a text download. Now, same thing, it'll show you all of your inventory that you need in this downloadable format. So the real key is that Amazon is trying their best to make this as simple as possible for sellers, but they don't have an estimation for when the construction is going to be complete. So the best solution, if you have a large quantity of inventory that's currently at this fulfillment center, is going to be creating a new shipment that will be routed to a new fulfillment center so that you don't miss out on any sales. You may also be concerned about inventory that may be close to expiration. This is also something that you have to take into account here. This project, Amazon doesn't have a timeline for when the Little Rock Fulfillment Center will be up and ready again and ready to ship out inventory. So you may have inventory that's sitting there that by the time it opens will be expired. You'll be able to remove this inventory and either have it destroyed or sent back to you. And you may be able to talk with Amazon about getting some sort of compensation for your loss of inventory because it was stranded here, unable to be sold. There's been no confirmation on that yet, but I'm sure depending on how long that this closure stays for, Amazon will send out some sort of update soon about what the status of this fulfillment center is. But for now, you'll want to check and see if your inventory has been greatly impacted by this closure. So thanks for tuning in and learning about the Little Rock Fulfillment Center closure. I hope you liked this video. If you want more expert level insights on how to check your Amazon business and make sure that you're set up for success, subscribe below, drop a comment, and like this video. See you soon.